Hey, what's up guys, Bodhi here and welcome to today's video. We're going to dive into how to set up a storefront on Teespring. So we're going to stick with these Teespring tutorials and I'm going to keep teaching you guys exactly what I'm doing so you can go out and create your own store and why I'm loving Teespring, why you should be on Teespring. We'll go through a few things like that and just general setup of how you set up the storefront. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Alright guys, if you like this content, make sure you like the video for me so I know you're engaged and make sure you hit subscribe. Alright, let's go. So here we are in Teespring in the storefront. Sorry if you can hear something in the background, it's the washing machine going, but I'll try and make this fairly quick anyway. So what you're going to have, if we click on storefronts here, I already have a video on how to sign up to Teespring, by the way, so go and watch that video first. I'll have all of these in the print on demand playlist so you can just follow along, and that's the whole point. So the brand that I have created is called Pup Club, and then I've got this store here, and you can actually have unlimited stores on Teespring. This is why I'm really loving Teespring. So I was looking at Printify and Printful on Shopify, and maybe if I'm selling a heap of merch, I'll move to that. But the thing is, Teespring, there is no monthly fee. So instead of paying the $29 a month in American or whatever it is, I think it's $29 a month still. That works out to like $50+ a month in Australian. So Australians, we actually have to pay a fair bit to have Shopify stores. So it's very important for us to have very successful Shopify stores to see the point in paying that much money. But anyway, that's a side note. So Teespring, you can have all these listings, all these stores in different niches. So this is about dogs. You could have one about hunting. You could have one about yoga, and you can make as many shirts as you want. And then you could be directing traffic here from a blog, from a Facebook group, from an Instagram following, from a YouTube channel. There's so many different ways you could do it without actually having to pay a fee per month. So let's just get that out of the way first. And that's one of the things I'm loving about Teespring. Also, something on a side note as well, Teespring is an official partner of YouTube. So once you're over 10,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube, you can actually have a merch store attached to it, which you've probably seen, and have merch attached via Teespring. So obviously YouTube, to have them as their official partner, has a big belief in the platform. So anyway, those are a couple of side notes. But as long as you have at least 2 shirts in a store, you can have a store running. So you can have multiple ones like I was saying. But if you were to want to edit your store, see this here? It took me a while to figure this out, by the way. So it's this little thing here. I was like, where the hell has that gone? But anyway, so you go edit store. And then it brings you to this. So my banner really doesn't look that great. I need to change that, but I just wanted to get it up and going to start with. So this obviously doesn't look that good. I'm aware of that. So that's something I need to work on. But I've also made some sales as well without actually doing much. So it's pretty funny. But that's something that needs to be worked on. It's obviously not good. So you just click on header. Your store title's up here, so that's how you customize that. So that'll be just here. You can upload a logo as well or use store title, so you can customize it within reason. It's kind of like you're setting up a Shopify store without setting up a Shopify store, for those of you that have done it. You've got store theme color here, so you click on that and you can change that as well. So you can change the color of the store. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got show your store branding on all products in your store. You can do that as well. So let's go back. We'll just go through all of them here so you know how to do it. Then you've got banner. That's obviously this part here. So something that I need to update. And it even tells you the ideal banner size is 1600 by 200. So if you're creating a banner on something like Canva, just make sure you put in custom dimensions. I'll just quickly show you guys that. So let's say you're using Canva to create it. When you're going create a design, see you can put in custom dimensions here, and then you would put in that, whatever it was just then, 1600 by 200. So you go 1600 by 200 there, and that would give you the perfect sort of size. So that'll help you guys out as well. Let's go back. and we'll go to the next one down. So next one down is obviously products, and you can see all the products that I've got in here. Sticking with that black theme because honestly, from all of the research I've done on shirts that are very basic with writing sell the most, and shirts that are either black, gray, blue, or white are the most popular shirts that sell. So the other colors aren't even worth having in your store. Yes, you could have them in there and maybe you're in a niche where those colors sell, but I'm talking about from all the research I've done and from talking to people in the industry, black, gray, blue, it's a darker blue too, like a navy blue, and what was the other one? White are the main colors that you want to worry about. So this is showing you all of the different products that I have added here, and it might look like a lot, but the thing is when you upload a product, it gives you the option of putting whatever text. Let's say I start with a t-shirt. So let's say this t-shirt, life is better with a dog. Then it'll give you the option of putting that on the phone case, on a cup, on a sticker, on everything else. So you can go through and do that as well if you want to do that. So that's one cool thing also about Teespring that I really like is you can be marketing not just one design on one product. I mean, just one product. You can have that one design on a heap of products and it's very easy to do. So that's very cool as well. But I'll show you that. I've shown you guys that in another video, which is also in this print on demand playlist. So check it out. Then you've got an about section. So my about section is something that I'm obviously passionate about. I've talked about before. I absolutely love dogs. Like this is my dog here, Hershey the Choc Lab. Check her out on Instagram, 11,000 followers. And also, by the way, that's something I need to make a video on, like how I've grown her Instagram to 11,000 followers and how I continue to keep blowing it up. So that's a video that's coming, guys. I'll definitely show you how I've done that. But because it's only been, I think, 8 months or 9 months that I've done that in. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I've done that as well. Make sure you comment below if you're interested in me showing you how that's done on Instagram. But so $1 from every sale goes to animal shelters to help pups in need, which is something I'm actually doing. I'm not just saying that because I'm very passionate about that. And then I've just got joined the movement of cool parents, which is something that's you know, poor and parents, a little play on words, giving back to their community. Then you've got your website, which can be your you know, .com email address, and you've got YouTube to go to a channel. And then you can have Tumblr, you can have Instagram and Facebook, etc. So you can have all of that linked as well. And the good thing about having all this linked and showing it everywhere is you're going to get more SEO, search engine optimization, and more. The more that happens, the more you're going to rank in Google, and the more Teespring is going to show your products on their marketplace. So the other thing to mention with Teespring while I'm on this subject is that you need to get those first couple of sales because it'll help you to get on the Teespring marketplace. So once you're on, this is a common question that I've already had is, I've got products on Teespring, but when I search from like going incognito, I can't find my store or my products or on Teespring marketplace. And that is because of what I just mentioned there, that you will not show up until you make a few sales, and then Teespring see you as someone that's worthy to put on their marketplace pretty much. So that's something to be aware of, and something to work on is obviously trying to get some traffic, making sure you do good designs, target the right people, and get people interested in your product. So that's you know, the storefront's pretty basic here. That's pretty much showing you everything you're gonna need about setting up a Teespring storefront, and that will really set yours up. So there's not too much more to it, guys. You can see another shirt that I made last night, just Dog Mum. So that'll be one that I'll be marketing here shortly. And I'm here to pet all the dogs. And I also made Life is Better with the Dog. So these are 3 new shirts that I've made since the first video that I showed you where I made the 2 sales with the Wears Black, Loves Dogs, Avoids People. So stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to show you everything I'm doing. Like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you'll see me make more and more sales and show you exactly what I'm doing and how you can do it too, just like I am in this video. So I hope you guys are hyped on that. I know I've had some positive comments and an increase in subscribers so far. So let's just keep rolling, and then we can make more of these sales like we've got back here. $22 to be paid so far. So anyway, that's about it, guys. That really covers most of how to set up a storefront. There's more Teespring videos on the way. I have been posting videos every single day, and I have also been setting Premiere so you guys can know when the videos are about to be posted, and you know, get on that notification squad and get on there and engage with the videos, guys. All right, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.